I think it seems like it turned out quite well for us. I'm going to remove the sublimation paper to see how our famous frosted glass beer mug turned out. Now we are going directly with our sublimation beer stein, so we're going to give it a cleaning so it doesn't have any dust. We are going to place it, we center it, see the pressure is medium to a bit low. It doesn't take much effort to open or close it. Parameter 1, 175 degrees Celsius. Parameter 2, 180 degrees Celsius. And parameter 3, which is our time, we are going with 60 seconds. Why are we going to give it 60 seconds? Because we are going to do a double cycle and we are going to do a sublimation. You could say a sublimation, but it's just to remove the heat from our heating element, the excess heat. Now I am going to place it and we are going to do a normal sublimation. And as soon as it beeps, we are going to remove it and place it somewhere else so it doesn't affect us because it is hot. And we are going to do another sublimation beer stein at once that has a photograph, printing in mirror mold, special inks for sublimation, as well as the paper. Placement of the center paper with the previously mentioned temperatures. We place it, we see that the paper doesn't fall on us, medium to a bit low pressure, we close. Upon finishing our first cycle, we are going to turn and give the second sublimation cycle, which is going to be much faster because it already has a stable temperature. Now that it is hot, we are going to close. Now we are going to take it out and we are going to place it on camera to see the result. Yes, carefully so as not to scratch it. Here we can verify without the tape moving on us. And now I am going to remove it directly on camera to see how our famous frosted glass beer mug turned out. And if it turned out well for us or if it turned out bad, if we were flat out good for sublimation or not. Look, I want you to see the edges. I want you to see this. See the difference in the tones. And if you manage to achieve a tone like this, the others will be totally easy for you to sublimate other types of lighter tones. I already had another one planned to sublimate it, and we are going for our second chance to see if we can achieve a solid black color that doesn't come out brown. Here we already have it ready to be sublimated. Now we check our parameters again, 175, 180 for 60 seconds since we have previously removed the excess heat. I'm going to place it this way so the paper doesn't heat, and we close. We open our press, we remove, we place it again so it finishes our second cycle. I'm not going to leave the camera and we are going to remove it carefully so it doesn't get scratched. If you follow these parameters, you'll get elite results every time. Happy sublimating. Alright, creative partners. Here are the 10 exclusive gifts from Creative Fabrica, so you can download all these stickers or search for anything else you like. We are talking 10 full packs completely free to help you start boosting your income today. Head over to Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab yours. Just scroll down to find the 10 free products with a risk-free trial section. Go ahead and start your free trial. You will need to create an account, but your discount for those 10 vector packs is already applied. It'll show up as $0. And here's the best part. After your trial, the price drops from the usual $10 to just $3.99 a month when you sign up for the year. You will be fully covered with an annual plan. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel before the first month ends with no strings attached and no extra charges. But if you buy it, you will have year-round access to thousands of vectors to grow your business and support your family. Let's get creating.